I have a bit of an experiment going on right here. So I thought it would be fun to just test typing without any keycaps. So I actually haven't tried putting my keys on the keyboard just yet. It's my first time ever without keycaps, of course. So I don't know, I thought this would be kind of a fun experiment. So I've got 10fastfingers.com up here, which is a touch typing website, or a type test website, I guess, but I've been using it to learn to touch type, so this will be interesting. Let me just first, this and this should be F and J, yeah. So this will actually be incredibly difficult, because normally when touch typing you rely on your, like, index fingers to know where your F and J keys are, which is kind of the default position, as I like to call it. So let's try, I guess. I will have to start another test. So I will start slow first. Oh, there's a space. Oh, this feels so weird. I have actually never done this before. Oh, wow. No, where's it? This feels really ugly. Such. Oh, I keep pressing like. Okay, set answer place. You can see my fingers are kind of trying to default to some kind of position, and they are kind of spazzing out because they don't get the proper response that they are used to. Base comes still once will next second whoops. I have to concentrate a bit. Oh, that's not good. 53 words per minute. Yay! So, just for reference, I normally type at around just over 100 when doing these type tests. 110 and up is a normal, at least for these tests. But that feels really weird. So you might have noticed that my thumb is trying to press around here, around this area, because that is normally, if I can find my spacebar, my keycaps are in a corner over here. So the spacebar is normally like this. Not sure which direction, but doesn't matter. So I normally press it kind of on the side right here. So my thumb is kind of trying its best. And then you might have noticed that I'm also tapping on kind of the, this is of course the switch itself, so I'm kind of tapping on the side of it. These are blue switches, of course, so they are the clicker ones, as you might have noticed. And it's really difficult without the F and J keys. So let's try again. So I have O up here, should be T here. And then the U up here, right? Out, play. Where was the... Oh, I messed up. This should be control, right? And then R. That was not R. That was E, right? That was R. U. It keeps messing me up. Okay, so let's try again. Tell, watch, some, those, us, enough, come, so, or air, play, can hear us when. I mean, it's actually not too bad. But you kind of get disoriented after a while. Picture until start high first around another what quickly. Oh. Okay, no. What was the last time? Like 15 something? 52? Okay, 67, that is quite decent. But it feels... Oh, it's so awkward. Like, it's difficult to describe, but the button press is so different compared to the pressing with a cap. It seems like they are a bit more quiet. So let's actually put on... What's this? This is the Q, right? yeah, they have a bit of a different noise when having a keycap on. Wow, this is interesting. So let's go to keyhero.com, which is a website for some longer texts. Holy shit, this is difficult. Okay, but it feels really interesting. Oh, it was try a thing. Never mind. Oh, where's the shift? It hurts so much to separate is because... Oh, this is not going well. Where's the shift? Maybe each time we... Oh, that wasn't too bad actually. You can see here, I started quite strong, and then it kind of dipped down. This was probably around... I'm actually starting to getting used to it, but the most difficult thing, as you might have noticed with my fingers, is that the space bar and the backspace and the shift keys are very difficult to press when they are so small. Like, these keycaps, like, they are actually kind of the same pressing area where I normally type, or where I normally press my fingers down to the keycap, but the space and the backspace, they are so much bigger. So are the shifts. I'm not sure, are they different sizes? I think they are. Interesting. So this is the right shift, and as you can see, like, that is a huge difference in size. But as I said, I'm just, of course, doing this for fun. It's not like I'm going to type like this forever. And you see there, I was trying to press this one. That was not it. There we go. Oh! I'm so disoriented. You know what? Let's go to TypeRacer. TypeRacer.com. Let's challenge some people. Without keycaps. Okay, so we got 4 other guys, and let's race. Let's see how well we can do. Then, oh, where's the question mark? There. Can you ever escape? Oh, I can't find it. Or is it the truth that you did not have the strength or cunning to hide from destiny? That the world is not small, you are, and fate can find you anywhere. I think I won. Yay! Without keycaps. 67 words per minute. This one rage quit, so did this one. So this is kind of more of a typing game. I'm not sure if you will be able to hear the volume. Oh, here we go. So as you can see, the point of this one is to basically shoot with your chip against the other. And you shoot by typing the correct words. This actually gets quite intense when you start coming up to the higher levels. Yeah, that's quite okay. Did flies eat flies utility? Yeah, but I mean, this is going surprisingly well. Not this particular... That was not the one I wanted to dance. But actually, like, typing without keycaps, it's going surprisingly well. I thought it would be a lot harder than it is, like borderline impossible. But, I mean, it's not that bad. It's starting to get really tough. Whew, come on. Encouraging. Translates, national, role, how... Oh, what? Ah! Oh, there we go. Accuracy 88.5, longest streak 86. So I would assume that's in characters and not words. Okay. I want to get one that is above 70 on this set. That's not a good start. Oh, that's not good. Oh, there are so many errors this one. What, really? Okay, so apparently I got 85 words per minute, but 81 of them were correct and 16 were wrong. I think I can do a bit better. Okay, think so. Well, that's not a good start. Neither is that. Okay, so that is a bit more respectable. 90 words per minute, 92 correct words and 9 wrong ones. So I'm actually quite pleased with that. So if you're wondering, by the way, here are all the keycaps. At least I hope so, because it would be a shame to lose some of them. Oh, there goes my Windows button. Not that anyone uses it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Experiments, I guess. And I hope to see you in the next one.